Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by updating the Ps5 and controller firmware so power management features work correctly. Once done, go to Accessories and reduce the light bar brightness and controller speaker volume to save energy immediately. Next, plug the controller into the console with a USB cable while playing to prevent Bluetooth drain. This also charges the battery. Make these changes now so subsequent steps have maximum effect, and you don't chase settings that the old firmware won't respect. Now focus on the deeper settings that cut steady drain. Disable haptic feedback and adaptive triggers. They use a lot of power during gameplay. Then set the controller auto-off timer to 10 minutes under system power saving so idle controllers sleep quickly. Make sure only the active controller is connected. Remove extra controllers from Bluetooth when not in use. Finally, reduce the in-controller microphone sensitivity and speaker volume. Those small motors and audio circuits add up over a session. Finish by adopting good charging and storage habits. Charge fully before long sessions, avoid leaving the controller at 0% or in hot places, and if you won't use it, store it around half charge to preserve battery health. Whenever possible, play wired to stop Bluetooth draw. If you still see fast drains, reset the controller using the pinhole, check for runaway background apps on the Ps5, and if necessary, replace the internal battery. That usually fixes persistent capacity loss.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.